Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this for a t-shirt for a family reunion with some of their dad's pictures. I'm not going to use the pictures they sent. I just took some 4 pictures off the internet, kind of related. Let's make this thing a little bit bigger. And the only way to really do it correctly would be and that's what they're having trouble with, get them in this section. I would take a 2-point line and kind of split it right down the middle. And maybe we could even go a little bit lower. And also, I would hold down the control button so it's perpendicular at least. And you could actually go past, you can pass the map, it's not gonna hurt anything. Then take another 2-point line and kind of go right through the middle. Just kind of make it, think about that part right there that is not going to be in the way. And then the easiest way to do it, let's see how big this thing is. It's 18 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 20. And let's take the Smart Fill tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to make 4 voids or 4 wells with the Smart Fill tool. Now we can actually left click, right click. I'm actually going to make them a red hairline. And then just kind of bring your pictures over somewhat close and figure out what if this was going to be like a flag, I maybe would put this one up top. And what we can do is, I'm going to take a lot of time for sizing it. You'd want to make sure it takes up the whole spot. And then I'm going to shift select that part of the state or part of the United States. See, I didn't get it. And then shift select the flag guy and go intersect. And then nudge that down. And there is that one picture done. We can actually delete this so it won't get in our way. We can actually delete this square so we know we've done it. And then I would, maybe... And you could nudge things down, so you wouldn't have to break. We could nudge that over. And then don't move that object ever. Move your pictures around. And then select both these and intersect. And look at that. We can now delete all that. So that might be the best way to do it. It's just when we Smart Fill that, just move it over. Left click, right click, and let's take these people. Almost fits perfectly. So I'm not moving the lower part of the state, I am moving the picture. Intersect. Look at that. Now we'll save the last one for this. And that's probably a pretty good item to put there. Let's take this one. We can actually just nudge it over. And then wow, it almost fits perfectly. And then I just did a video about this last night. You've got to have the outline showing on top of the picture for the intersect. I'm not quite at the bottom. Maybe let's stretch this picture a little bit. Select everything and intersect. And look at that. That's a pretty cool idea for I think he's a retired vet, and to put that on a t-shirt for him with maybe some old pictures and new pictures and make it look like that. Very cool. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.